Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if you are unable to open disk management on Windows 11 computer. So I can imagine this would be a frustrating issue. Let's fix it guys. Jump straight into it guys. Go to search menu and type services. Open it. And you need to in services you need to search for virtual disk and double click on it, and you need to startup type, select manual, and you need to start it guys and apply. You need to startup type manual and you need to start it, apply and OK. Close it out of here, and then to open up disk management again and then try hopefully resolve it guys. If hopefully not resolved, go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. Run as administrator. Click yes. Guys, check my video description for this command guys. Copy and tap this power and right click, eject, paste, press enter. Now the disk management is opened guys. Close out of here. That's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.